Hi, bros. So we're in our new house. Just try to cross the street. I'm bored, so I'm not gonna. I'm gonna show you my Airsoft Gun Collection. Wait, and I'm just gonna get it. I finally got it, and I put it inside a big box. And I'm gonna open it with this. Okay, so you're not gonna see the opening. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. In the first box, you can see a first aid kit. This is actually a first aid kit, the real deal. I found it in my box. Now here's my guns. My guns. Full gunnery. 2 deagles. This one's for my friends. This one's my first created armor. This one is for my eye protection. Then this is my night vision that actually works. Then my rifle. It now holds 7 BBs, so it's awesome. And by the way, this is not an airsoft gun. This is a cap gun. So it's for scare tactics. Now moving on. Right, here's my whole Airsoft Gun Collection. This is my light. You can see all of it, right? So that's the end of the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Peace out.